Let's go. Running in that pussy like a crap. Woo!
Video and stop cursing on the video before I censor everything.
I wanna be in the video. I play with you. I play. I wanna be in the video. Okay. Yeah.
Are you recording it?
Wait, I'm ready. Which side we gonna be? Oh, wait.
Let's get it ready. Oh.
This is a Manhattan-bound local
You can't see
train.
me.
I can see you.
I'm coming over here.
John Cena song. Daylight, right? That's what daylight?
Hey.
So
Y'all ain't ready.
Catch Dream, he think he all quiet on the low. He trying to be all sneaky and shit.
Look at Mike over there.
pretty. Give me some of this. Oh!
Do I play with y'all?
Where did you get that from?
Do I play with you?
Where did you get that from?
No,
Do I play with you?
No, let me see what they say in my school. They be like, I play with you. I play with people, kids like that.
I don't play with kids either.
I play with
I don't play with grandfathers. I don't
You don't play with your grandpa. What type of shit is that?
Yo, one time I bust the door open on my grandfather in the bathroom. That shit was the worst experience of my life.
Shit? You sick of the shit? You on the toilet?
I'm like, it's cold.
I'm done. I'm letting you go.
This is
Really though? Really? Really? Really though? Really, Britt? Really? 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 Ah!
Let me tell you some dumb shit.
Alright, video done.
The other day, right?